Joyride. This night just got a little better. Street signs telling me whatever. She stayed, maybe I could still, but she's so vain. Egocentric, overkill. Parties not so good, you know what I'm thinking? Something that I've never done before. Don't know if I should, it's okay, I've been drinking. I think I should open up the door. Now my car will take a ride. Started off with the keys inside, and just for a while I pull the brakes on the streets so nobody sees. I feel you turn these headlights on. Really like this life just wanna be. So I could take my own joyride. my soul.